toil and trouble, mix and stir. Let's make a great potion for Halloween. Let's add a pinch of bat and a little bit of newt. What else should we add, Black Cat? Oh, some vampire fangs. Oh, why hello everyone. I didn't see you guys there. Welcome, welcome. I am going to read you a story today, and my story for today is called Murray's Howloween. That's right, Black Cat. Murray is a dog. Do you like dogs, Black Cat? Well, maybe you'll like Murray after this story. Here we go. Oh, look at Murray in all his funny Halloween costumes. Murray's Halloween by E.G. Keller. Murray was a very good boy. He loved his home, the smells, the sounds, the hydrants, everything. Which is why he wasn't looking forward to what was about to happen, a road trip. They were going to some awful place called, I wonder where they're off to, the country. Murray wanted no part of it. It didn't sound like the city. It went moo. It didn't smell like the city. He wasn't impressed. Nana and Grandpa's house was filled with all manner of odd and scary things. He crunched on the person made of dog treats. He munched the vegetables with frightening faces. He barked at the birds. He shook the sheets. As it turned out, Nana and Grandpa's house wasn't the only place overflowing with strangeness. Look at that. Ruff, ruff, ruff. Yar! Oh, somebody scared him. And there's Black Cat with him. But why was it filled with vegetables? At least they had a park like back home, but it was filled with vegetables. Maze, maze of mayhem, beware. Oh, I wonder, do you think he should go through the maze or not? Will he make his way out? Oh, look at all the scary things. Rustle, rustle, rustle. It's just Black Cat. Rustle, rustle, rustle. Oh, enough was enough. He made it out. He was over the country, so Winona decided to show Murray what she loved about it. Oh, sharing Grandpa's popcorn, the smell of Nana's fresh caramel goodies, treats on the trees, and how to enjoy the spookiest night of the year. What do you think of him as a sunflower? Oh, there's everybody out on Halloween night, doing it country style. Get free treats when you ring a doorbell? Murray was on board. When the trick-or-treating was over, Winona shared something with him that he never saw in the city. I wonder what it could be. Do you have any thoughts? Let's see. Oh! Look at the moon and the stars. So many. Perhaps the country wasn't so bad after all. What did you think? Would you like to do Halloween country style? And that is the story of Murray's Howloween by E.G. Keller. I hope you enjoyed it.